So are we stuck? When is crypto going to start to go back up? We all, saw last week we got the judgment on the Ripple SEC lawsuit. We had a great Thursday and into Friday, and then over the weekend it was flat. It's flat right now. You can see on the screen on this video, obviously, that we're down 0.68%. So when is it going to start to go up? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. We're going to talk about it in the context of Bitcoin, but also remember that it applies to every single major altcoin coin token that you own. So with that, thanks for your support, and also hit that subscribe button. Please drop a like on the video. Okay. So what we're really talking about here is the fact that, we're stuck, right? And if you look at, say, Bitcoin, again, remember, it's not just a Bitcoin video. Obviously, this is talking about all of crypto, because I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum because these two cryptos alone, out of 26,000 plus cryptos, make up over 60+% of the number is 68%, make up 68% of the entire market capitalization. That means that number right there is made up 68% of it is made up, is the market cap is between Bitcoin and Ethereum respectively. Okay, so we're talking about this video in the context of why is Bitcoin, but you could say why is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of crypto really stuck at these particular levels. And so we've got a situation playing out where we've got this kind of what I would really kind of call minor selling pressure that's pervasive in all of crypto. We have that playing out. We've got kind of a situation where Bitcoin speculators are in the driving seat. But again, I would say it's kind of crypto speculators, the speculators that are speculating on, all of them, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, all that. All that, right? But you also got a selling pressure scenario kind of playing out where we've got a volatility scenario playing out with we've got the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting coming up on July 25th and 26th. Are they going to raise the rates 25 basis points? Are they or not? I mean, all that. We were also, I did a video yesterday talking about this, watching the banks. What's going to happen in the banks, the banking sector as relationship to they're reporting their earnings. Bank of America just surprised everybody, had really, really great earnings. And whereas JP Morgan, their revenues were down. What does that mean to crypto? Well, it gives us insight into the state of the union of the banking industry, okay, which does have an impact on crypto, okay? So we've got a lot of kind of speculative factors at play, but ultimately it comes back to those same old things that we talk about all the time. It's kind of that fear and uncertainty, that we're seeing continue to play out, even though we've got this, the landmark decision that came down from the SEC as it relates to Ripple. That was great news. I think everybody's still digesting that, but we'll see how it continues to evolve and play out. But right now, are we stuck? I think we're stuck from a short-term perspective. We're stuck in this kind of this trading range where there's just not a lot of bullish momentum at this particular point in time. Okay, so stay tuned. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button. As always, I appreciate you, and I'll see you.